Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about Bootstrap 5 forms. We already know how forms work in HTML and CSS. So today we are not going to create the form from scratch. Instead, I will show you how to use Bootstrap ready-made form classes. Here we are on the Bootstrap documentation. Go to the form section and find form control. Here is form control. Click this section. Bootstrap already provide an example here. So instead of writing the code ourselves, we will simply copy this code and paste here, save and see output. As you can see, Bootstrap has already styled the input. Now let's look at the class used here, form control. This class is used to style common text-based form controls like text input area. So whenever you need a Bootstrap style input, you can simply use form control. Now let's go back to the Bootstrap documentation. I will open select section. In Bootstrap already gives us a ready-made example. I simply copy it, paste it into my project, save this and check the output. Here we can see a style drop down. The important class here, form select. So text form control, input fields, form select, select drop down. That's how we use these bootstrap classes. That's how we use these bootstrap classes. Bootstrap provides many more form classes. For example, text, text label, form check, radio, range, input group, floating labels, layout, and validations. You can find all this directly in the Bootstrap documentation. For this video, I'm not going to copy and demonstrate every example. Instead, open the documentation, copy the example, paste it into your project, and check the output yourself. This is actually a good way to learn Bootstrap. So today we learn how to use Bootstrap's ready-made form classes. The two classes we practically check were text form control, form select, and we also saw some other useful form classes that you can practice yourself. You don't need to write the styling from scratch. Bootstrap already provides the classes. We just need to know which class to use and where to use it. And that's it for today's video. In the next class, we will continue with another useful Bootstrap feature. Then try these form classes yourself using the Bootstrap documentation. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Code with Khan Developer. Thanks for watching.